Religions have poisoned humanity with one thing, and that's hope. You might think hope is a beautiful thing. You must have heard that the only thing more greater and more powerful than fear is hope. But what if I told you it's just a trap? Religions have used hope to create fear because their whole business runs on it. Because think about it, you must have even noticed this with yourself that you only pray to God when you're fearful of something or when you want something. Because I remember when I used to have my exams and when the results were about to come out, I used to pray to God and I used to make deals with God that please, if you get me good marks, then I'll start going to the temple every single day. And all of us do that. But ask yourselves, is that really faith? Or is that just fear disguised as faith? Religions have given us these ideas of karma, heaven and hell, and basically told us that if we don't follow their rules, we're going to suffer later. And this isn't spirituality, it's just fear based conditioning. And if your actions are based on fear, if you're going to make these deals with God, they're just a business transaction. They're not genuine. They say that religions unite people, but before that, they divide you by creating fear in you. Do this or you'll suffer the consequences. That is not freedom, that is not truth. And Osho says that a man of freedom does not live on hope. He lives in the present moment and he reacts out of his consciousness. Hope is a trick that keeps you enslaved in the future and it prevents you from living in the now. So drop the fear, drop the hope. True spirituality begins when you start seeing this illusion. So let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed yourself praying only when you're afraid or you want something from God. I would love to hear your perspective on it.